it is all the aspects of her symbol are in the Matri Mandir. It's living reality. So the central circle in the mother symbol represents the divine consciousness. And here you have the inner chamber that I think all of you will be able to go to. And this is literally where you have a ray of light that comes down. This ray of light goes down through this crystal, and then it goes unbroken through the whole building and ends in the earth underneath, in the lotus pond, which is underneath. So also you could say represents crown chakra, if you go into that, looking at it like that. The 4 petals represents the 4 powers of the mother. The 4 pillars of the Matri Mandir, because you see the Matri Mandir is actually hanging in the air, the building. It has 4 legs, 4 pillars. And these pillars were named. Mother gave them names. So Mahalakshmi, that is to the east, Mahasaraswati to the west, Mahakali to the north, and Maheshwari to the south. And the importance of Matri Mandir, one way you can see, one example, a story now, is that when the last pillar was concreted to be completed, the Mahakali pillar, the mother left her body, 17th November, no, at the same time as the pillar was completed. She did not leave her body. When that had happened, you can see with the timings, when they completed the work, that's when she left her body in Pondicherry. So it's really her force, it is. She said about the Matri Mandir, because it's called the Matri Mandir, Temple of the Mother. She also said, it's not about this mother, it's about the Divine Mother. And she is the Divine Mother also, like, you know. So it is, but it's like that. And then we have the Sanskrit, Om Anandamayi, Chaitanyamayi, Satyamayi, Paramayi. And I must say that I love Mother's translation. Om, she the delight, she the consciousness, she the truth, she the supreme. So now we're going to look at the 12 qualities of the Mother symbol. Generally speaking, when Mother talks about this symbol, she always, and she talks about the qualities, she always starts with this one. This is sincerity. And then it goes sincerity, the kind of light blue one. Colors are difficult because we don't have exact colors. And when you do a symbol, you kind of have to tune them to fit together also, no? So you can do it lighter, darker. This is not a fixed thing either, no? Sincerity, humility, gratitude, perseverance, aspiration, receptivity, progress, courage, goodness, generosity, equality, and peace. And she talked, of course, with Sri Aurobindo at that time, and he gave the colors in this order. And in the 50s, she talked about it with her evening classes also. And in 1971, when Rochianger, our chief architect, had asked Satprem, who was one of the disciples who were close to her, to ask for the 12 meditation petals of the Matri Mandir, the names for them. She said, I have it somewhere. And she took them out and she gave the names. And then she said something she had not said before. That was really for Auroville, okay? She said, the first 8 are in relation to our attitude towards the divine. The last 4 are towards humanity.